Tuna fish, perhaps a little bit larger than some may think. Strong, quick, and agile. It's hard to imagine life without tuna. This powerful fish is very important for the marine ecosystem. Not only does it form a fundamental part of the diet of many marine animals, including sharks and whales, but they also let us know that the sea is in a healthy and vibrant state. In the eastern tropical Pacific, the sea where we fish, the tuna schools are found close to dolphins, which is also a sign of healthy seas. They have a symbiotic relationship. It's close and constant, and it means that fishermen must have rigorous measures in place for their protection. Nobody understands this better than the people who fish this species, and nobody has more respect for tuna. These skillful, well-trained fishermen spend up to 60 days on the open seas searching for schools of mature tuna in an area that covers 14 million square kilometers. The fishermen know the oceans where they fish well. They study these complex and fascinating ecosystems and learn from them. They have learned over many generations to become part of this natural wisdom. Seabirds, part of the oceanic ecosystem, have the advantage of looking at the sea from the air, and fishermen know there is no better strategy. Finding birds in open seas can be a sign of a school in the area, and to help with their enormous task, the fishermen now rely on very sensitive radar, sonar, and helicopters that emulate the behavior of the birds to find the shadow of the school in the water. This makes it much easier to see. When the school of mature tuna is found, small boats are lowered into the water to round up the fish. The fishermen drop their high-technology net. It is 2 kilometers long and 190 meters deep. It has been specifically designed to take care of the environment in which the fishermen work. Part of this net is the Medina panel, a section of the net with tighter mesh. Its innovative design and the retreat maneuver protects the dolphins and other larger species as it allows them to leave the net and swim free through the panel when the captain gives the order for the maneuver. However, to be safe, divers who specialize in the protection of the area's species descend to ensure the well-being of these mammals and that of other fish. These well-loved animals, so important for the ecosystem as a whole, are helped by the divers. The complex ecosystems of our oceans depend on the health of all species, from sharks and dolphins all the way to fish and microorganisms. This is why these fishermen value our seas so much. They work diligently and respectfully to maintain this balance, fishing in the most sustainable way. They fish only mature tuna, whose reproductive cycle has concluded. This way, younger tuna remain in the sea, reproducing and maintaining a healthy stock. On each trip, the fishermen are accompanied by independent scientists. Advanced technology and the most rigorous scientific standards mean that in Mexico, tuna fishing complies with the requirements of an international system developed by environmentalists and scientists from the Inter-American Commission for Tropical Tuna, an initiative involving 21 different countries set up to protect the seas in which we fish. This safeguards a future, not only for this powerful, fast, and magnificent fish, but also for the families of those who venture out year after year in search of this important source of protein. We are devoted to fishing in a way that ensures the health of the oceans for today and for the future.